A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. One bright autumn day, a family of ants was busy working in the warm sunshine. They were drying out the grain they had stored up during the summer, when a starving grasshopper came up with his fiddle under his arm. The grasshopper humbly begged for a bite to eat. "What?" cried the ants. "Haven't you stored any food away for the winter? What in the world were you doing all summer?" "I didn't have time to store any food before winter," the grasshopper whined. "I was too busy making music." That the summer flew by. The ants simply shrugged their shoulders and said, "Making music, were you? Very well, now dance." The ants then turned their backs on the grasshopper and returned to work. Moral: there's a time for work and a time for play.